sacred rhythm of balance, the universe weaving paths and hearts, guiding me into perfect alignment and law.
Harmony flows through every step, trusting the unseen, letting go of regret.
People, moments, and time in sync. The heart knows the path before the mind thinking.
Partnerships deep and love becomes the guide. Faith strengthens our walk with eyes open wide. The universe dances in subtle ways. Every heartbeat aligned with divine rays.
To the rhythm of grace.
Everything flowing in sacred space.
The timing, surrender the pain.
Divine love shows in every face.
Every encounter, every sign. The universe weaving, aligning with mine. Patient trust, I let it be. Miracles unfold in synchronicity. No rush, no fear, just flow with the tide. My heart and soul walk side by side.
The dance of duality, giving and receiving. Love multiplies when I am believing. I am the compass, the rhythm, the flow. Connected to all, the more I grow.
To the code of trust.